Do not use TikTok before watching this video. I've been trying to get 1,000 followers for a long time. It's been getting on my freaking nerves. Check this out. All right, guys. I've been at this for a long time. And I'm here to say that I am officially sick of TikTok, watching other people, listening to other people. I have a program by Rachel Peterson, who is a phenomenal TikTok creator, teacher, freelancer, social media strategist. And she's been trying to teach me how to increase my following in my email list, because you guys all know that I'm huge on growing my email list, growing my business online with TikTok. So where am I at in the process? I think I created some videos a long time ago about getting 10,000 followers. I'm not even close. This journey has been real and it's been absolutely crazy. Drop me some comments down below if you know what I'm talking about, if you feel my pain. And so what I'm going to do, I'm continuing my journey to my first 1,000 before I hit my 10,000, because I will not stop. Those of you who know me, I am a determined individual, and there's a few things that I've learned along my journey. I'm currently at 812 followers, and I've taken a break from creating content because it really honestly just pissed me off. But I'm going to continue forward because it's not a matter of if, it's more so a matter of when. So again, continuing on the journey, my first 1,000 followers on TikTok, so that I can go ahead and get that infamous link under my profile. So if you guys don't know, my name is Antonio X Carter. I have a YouTube channel and a website called Emancipation Occupation, teaching you how to get freedom from your 9-to-5 jobs, mainly using make money online methods, things to grow your online business so that you become an entrepreneur, put extra money in your pocket, kick your jobs, your 9-to-5 jobs to the curb. I recently started my own photo booth business as well, so I'll be sprinkling that in soon as well, because that has nothing to do with doing stuff online. Anyway, the first thing that they taught me was to go and find other content of similar competitors, other people who do similar content as me, and begin to find what is working for them and kind of mimic what they are doing, almost a copycat type of thing. And this worked very well for other people, but because I'm in a make money online niche, a lot of red tape is within this market. And so I can't use, well, some people do, but a lot of people have been getting banned lately for using money figures. Certain words, affiliate marketing, for some people have been a banned word to not use. So I've been having to get very creative, and I'm not really naturally a person who likes to be on camera. So I have to get creative on how I do stuff. I'm not dancing. I'm not going to be showing my booty on these videos and stuff. So I am going to be getting very creative on my content. I have to be more informative. I can be not contradictory, but I can be very polarizing on certain subjects, but not these. So another thing, I'm going to say this is number 2. If you want to increase your following, is to pick something that will help you be polarizing, that will draw a strong reaction out of people, whether you are targeting those who are single moms, single dads. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom or stay-at-home dad. Only stay-at-home dads understand, right? A lot of those types of videos have done very well for me. What has not done very well for me is the typical video that says, this is how you make extra money online. Find this affiliate program, use this Walmart program, use this PayPal program. But I've seen other people use it and it works very well for them. So it is very annoying. But another thing that works very well, which I have absolutely dropped the ball at, is being consistent. Being consistent has been my flaw in my business. I suck at a follow-up. I suck at doing things every day. And admittingly, that is why I'm not making millions yet, because I know that when I do what I have to do on a consistent basis, I get the results. And so what helps me do that? I recently moved from Kansas City to Georgia. I've been home with my 1-year-old and my 3-year-old who's going to be 4, turning on 40, because she's so grown up mentally. It's a lot of work. And so it's really tough. And if you don't have the support system to be consistent, go find you a support system. If you really don't feel like you can find a support system, you have to find systems to help you stay on track. And for me, once I feel like it, I need to just bang out work and get it done. And that's where I'm at my best. Unfortunately, that happens to be between the hours of 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. And then I'm tired the next day. But you know what? I've noticed those are the hours where I just get my get her done hat on and I produce content like a madman, and I grow my business pretty effortlessly when I do that. Probably 3 or 5 times, which helps me stay consistent for about a few weeks to a month. So if that's you, that is my advice to you. Now, hopefully this is a very short video. Hopefully this has helped you out a little bit. If you are in the same shoes such as myself, I do recommend the program that I am in. They have a phenomenal community. It helps me out a lot. I actually have a buddy, accountability buddy within the TikTok Academy program. And for the month of June, we send each other messages and stuff, and we let each other know when we created a video. We are going to be hitting it hard for the month of June over the next few weeks. All right. So hopefully by the end of June, I will have crossed the infamous 1,000 followers for TikTok and gotten my link that I've been working so hard. All right. Don't forget, guys, if you are looking to grow your business online, you are a beginner looking to gain some traction, I have a ton of free stuff for you down in the description. All right. I have a 5-day challenge that is going on to help you build your business from A to Z. When it comes to affiliate marketing, I'm going to be teaching it live for 5 straight days at the end of the month. So be on the lookout for that. Click the link for that below. I have a free course, and also my #1 recommended source is a program that I've used, a mentor of mine that I follow for quite some time. Everything that I do, I've pretty much learned from him online. Okay, so if you want to learn how to grow your business, even this YouTube video, creating something like this gains traction and helps grow my business, click the link below. It's going to take you to a messenger bot on Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, drop me a message down below. I can provide you links as well. But hit my messenger bot up. That way you're not signing into stuff and all of that crazy mess. You get whatever you want at your own pace. All right, guys. So hit the subscribe button if you like this content. If you want me to create more content on growing your TikTok audience and talking about my struggles. See you guys in the next video.